on, guys? I want to give a huge thank you to everyone that participated in the first giveaway on the channel. You guys did great. The feedback was awesome, and I couldn't be any happier with the first giveaway. So we're going to announce the winner at the end of this video, so you guys make sure you stay tuned to the end and find out who won. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. If it's your first time tuning in, please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more of our videos. If you guys are just tuning in today, we've probably already run over 500 subscribers, which is awesome. Thank you guys for all the support, and continue to support. Share, like videos, comment. I love hearing back from you guys, so you guys keep it up. You guys are doing great. Today we got the step side Cat-Eye Chevy in the lab today. We're going to be replacing these hideous, foggy, condensated headlights. So we picked up some all clear headlights along with some switchback LED turn signals, all LED bulbs, high beam and low beams, and also got fogs. But you probably noticed we don't have fogs, so I picked this up as a kit. These lights and this was separate, and the lights were separate, but picked these up as a kit, and they just happen to come with the fog lights as well. So you know, that's an added bonus. So we'll be throwing that stuff in today. I already got the hood popped, so we're gonna dive right into this, guys. What I love about these trucks, stuff like this is very simple. I know there's probably a million videos on how to do this on YouTube, but who cares? I'm doing this for my records and for anyone else that wants to see. I'm gonna go ahead and get these things removed. I'm not gonna go step by step because they're pretty simple to do. So I don't want to bore you guys. So we're gonna get right into it. Pull them out, get the new ones back in. Check this out, guys. We got a little fishbowl action going on. Uh-oh, a little leak there. But these things are garbage. You can see. So, know what we can do with those. Junk. I'm really just noticing these lights have hella lights on them, like turn signal. Don't know what this one's for. High beam, low beam up here, marker light, and just like, why? But I think we have all the bulbs we're gonna need. I think I may have to get a marker light. I'm gonna go with a clear LED marker light on the side. So that's a possibility. I might have to go right into the store and get that, but we're gonna throw these babies in. So guys, yeah, these headlights are super easy to take out. All you want to do to get the top out is pull this clip out, or this pin. Kind of might have to rotate it down, get a little clearance, but pull it all the way out like that. Set it on the side, and the top portion will just come right out. Excuse me if I'm doing this with one hand, but pull your top out just like that. And your bottom, let me see. So the top pulls out just like that. Pull that pin out, remove it. The bottom, as you can see, there's a clip, plastic clip. That little clip right there. All I do is take a flathead, press that clip in, and you want to pull the outer edge of this light out, and it'll pop out, and you can slide it this way. All the clips here just slide in that way. So once you pop that out, slide the entire light that way, and it'll come out. So once you get your headlights pulled out, you're gonna go through and change out any bulbs that you're gonna be changing. Like I'm gonna be changing my turn signal bulb. I got these really nice LED switchbacks here from Syntec USA. They're pretty nice. They come with a rubber grommet. It doesn't have the little push and twist. just a rubber grommet that seats inside of the opening. So basically all you want to do is go ahead, plug that in, and hope you plugged it in the right way the first time. But we're gonna make sure everything's good before we button everything up. I'm gonna be changing the little running light. I found some spare LEDs that I had laying around. Let's see where I got it. I had some of these laying around from the F250. I forgot what size this is. I'm gonna have to find out for you guys. But I had some of these laying around, and so I'm gonna pop those in there. I'm gonna leave this one, and then we got the 9006 is, I want to say it's your, let's see, yeah, the 9006 bulb is your low beam, and the 9005 is your high beam, and either your fog light if you have some. So I can get this out right here. Things all crusted up. But I picked up these LED high and low beam bulbs from OS lamp LED bulbs, whatever it is. I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys want to check these out. But here's the 9005. No, this is the 9006. So the 9006 is your low beam. Just plug that in like so. Toss it up out the way. Now LEDs aren't like HIDs. You don't have to worry about not touching the LED and everything. It won't hurt it. But this is your high beam, which is the 9005. Now these bulbs look extremely similar. If you look closely, same build and everything. The plugs look pretty much identical as well. So be careful when installing them. Make sure you put them on the right one. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go inside, turn on the switch on the truck, make sure everything turns on like it should, and if they do, I'm gonna put everything back in the lenses, and that'll be it. Button it all up, and we'll be good to go. Wow, we actually got this one on the first try. Normally, I'll put it in there and I have to twist it so the right tabs line up. But you can see here's our switchback right here. It's pretty bright. So what I'm gonna do, go ahead and throw in our new lower light. Whoa, don't want to break them. But throw those in, and then we're gonna throw the heads in, and then we'll be done. So like I was saying, this thing basically just fits in there, and that grommet, you just push it in there and it seals itself. So it's a really nice design. I like that a lot. You can see that tab there. It'll slide into that little groove like this. So all you want to do is get it like that, and basically line this tab right here up, and it's gonna snap in just like that. Easy peasy. Then for the head, just as simple. Plug in all your lights. Boom. These things look so much better. What do you guys think? I give them a 10 out of 10. Switchbacks look pretty nice. The LED marker light. Now, this truck, that cleans this truck up so much, just everything being white on the front. What do you guys think about us paint matching this grill? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I think we will end up doing that though. This truck, we're gonna go with the red and white scheme. I think that's the colorway we're gonna go with this truck. Just think about if we color match this grill, get a red bow tie, color match that bottom bumper, and clean this thing up really nice. And then we're gonna work our way back on the vehicle, knocking little things out here and there. If you guys know anybody that makes custom tail lights for these step side trucks, let me know, because these things are like the best you can get for these trucks. The aftermarket ones are so hideous, and I kind of want something nice to like color match it with the truck. So you guys, if you guys know any companies, please link them down below. But that's about it, guys. Real simple install. I'm sorry I wasn't step by step. It's kind of hard to go step by step and hold a camera, and you know, so I hope that was kind of helpful somewhat. But got a lot coming for this engine bay. I actually have it sitting right over there. I definitely want to color match this, probably paint that white and have the Vortex in red. I think that'll look really nice under there. But yeah, keep it simple but clean at the same time. So super easy install, guys. I definitely give this a 10 out of 10. They look great, easy install, and I mean, I just couldn't be any more pleased. Great price and everything. So if you guys are interested, link will be in the description below. I did see some negative reviews on them, but from my install, I can't see why they were complaining. I saw a lot of complaints about the clip not fitting in the hole, that they had to drill the hole out, but that's still nothing major. The clip was a snug fit, which I'd rather be a snug fit than a loose fit. You can see that light's in there. People were complaining about that, which is not that big of a deal. Mine slid right in, so I don't know what they were talking about or what kind of issues they were having, but even if it was an issue you were having, it's not that big of a deal. Just drill it out a little bit, and it's nothing to leave a bad review on something that's pretty good quality from my standpoint right now. So if you guys are interested, link will be in the description below. Check them out. Very good in my opinion. So I don't know if you guys saw that, but hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please go down below, hit the like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell. Please share, like, and comment on my videos. Friends, family, whatever. Share, get everybody involved, and I just want to make great videos for you guys. So let me know what you guys want to see, and we're gonna try to do it. I've got some videos on the truck coming. I already filmed them. I just had to edit them and get those up on the 6.0. I'm sorry, but videos are coming on those from my OG subs. But you guys stay patient. I just have a lot going on right now. As you can see, if you see in the background, there's a lot of parts and stuff laying around for both builds. So with that being said, hope everyone has a great day, and thanks for tuning in. Peace. What's going on, guys? Congratulations on making it to the end of the video. We have all our entries right here in the hat right here. We're gonna kick it a little old school. So I'm gonna have my assistant help me here. She's gonna mix you guys entries up, and I'm gonna pull one lucky winner. So good luck. Here we go. Danny Curry 538. Danny Curry 538 is our first giveaway winner on the channel. Congratulations to you. If you see this before I get in touch with you, DM me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Comment under a video so I can get in touch with you. But I will be DMing you or trying or attempting to get in touch with you. So Congratulations to you, and I thank everyone for participating. You guys did awesome. Continue to support the channel, please, please, please. And I can only say that our 1K subscribe giveaway will be a lot better. So you guys don't want to miss that. So thank you guys for all you've done, and good night.